Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old, welcome. So today we are going to be working on a bride. This is a Yoruba bridal tutorial. First, I'm starting with the brows. For detailed brow tutorial, you can go back to my previous video, or I'll drop a link here to watch that. So when you're carving the brows, you need to work according to the person's face. So not everybody has the same shape of brows. So now, before the skin prep, I made sure I checked the foundation to get a undertone, to get a shade. So now I'm cleaning with the wipes, clean off whatever it's on the face, the air from the shaving. And now to the skin prep. First, after cleaning with the wipes, I'm cleaning with the micellar water just to clean off anything on our face, because you don't know the product your bride had used before sitting on your chair. Not only bride, anybody had used before sitting on your chair. Next, I'm using the rose water to hydrate our face. So I'm massaging it in. I could just set the spray and just let it dry, but just to let it blend fast. So, and I get to use my fan to just make it blend well. So the next thing, I will be using my moisturizer, Embryollis moisturizer, to moisturize the face. Every skin type needs moisturizing. You need to moisturize. So you can see I'm moisturizing our under eye area, the under eye. So after moisturizing, I need to let it blend in. So you need to stay like 2 to 3 minutes after moisturizing the face, because if you put another product on it, man, it won't come out well. Then for the primer, I'm using the Milk Hydro Primer. So the best way to use this primer, I need to say this, the best way to use this primer is you put it at the back of your palm. You rub it there, then you just, after rubbing it at the back of your palm well, then you rub it on the face. I think I need to show a tutorial on how to do that, because the first time I used this, it didn't turn out well. Then for the T-zone area, I'm using the Becca primer to prime the T-zone area. Now you can see the foundation. Then after the skin prep, then I go in my foundation just to blend, then blend. For foundation, I'm using foundation V Beauty foundation in warm nude. Yes, warm nude. So most times you need to like make your face and your neck match. For some people, their neck, so most times when I use my moisturizer on the face, I bring it down to the neck, because there are some people, their face is different from their neck, it's totally different from their chest. I need to work with this, so you need to let it blend well. So that's why I extended it to the neck area. Now after using the V Beauty foundation, now I'm contouring our face with the V Beauty, a darker shade of the V Beauty. I'll check for the name of the V Beauty, I'll put it here. A darker shade of the V Beauty, just to contour our face. So after contouring the face, then I set the face with the setting spray, Maron setting spray, to set the whole foundation and the contour. Now I'm highlighting with my Kelvin Aquarium concealer. I'll look for the shade, I think Kelvin Aquarium concealer in shade 8, number 8. Then I'm just need to blend. You just need a little of this concealer. It looks like I took a lot, but I just took little, then I spread it, like I decided to spread it round with my brush. Just blend. After this, then I decided to contour the nose. For me, it works for me to contour the first, then after highlight, then I contour the nose, because sometimes the concealer you use in contouring to highlight the nose might clean up the contour. So it works for me to highlight the nose first, then I contour with the foundation I use in contouring my face. I use that to contour my nose. For blush, I'm using the Magic Lip Palette. This blush really turned out so fine. So I'm using a shade in the Magic Lip Palette. It's a lip palette. So this is to tell you that your lipstick can also go for your cream blush. So blend it in. Then you can see the glow. See how it blends so well with the skin. The contour is well blended. So to set my under eye, I went back with my beauty blender just to set it first. Then I'm going in with my my setting powder. I'm using the blood setting powder, jaded, to set my under eye. Then I did the same for the second under eye, just to set the under eye. To set everywhere, I used my concealer, the Curving Acquiring Concealer. When using your beauty blender to set your under eye, you just take a little bit of your setting powder, you dab it at the back of your hand, then you just spread it under your eye, your nose area. So I'm going in with my V Beauty powder palette. Now I'm setting the whole wet product on her face and on her neck with my V Beauty pressed powder. Then I go in with my setting powder to her smile lines, just to set the smile, to set that area. Then the whole face, just use the powder for the whole face and all. Everything is set. Then after the setting with the whole powder, then I just did a powder that is a shade darker than a face powder, to just contour the nose area. I'm so sorry I could not do the whole of the video. My phone stopped recording, but I promised to do a full bridal tutorial. Then after the contouring of the face, I did the brows, then the eye and the lip. I'm so sorry. Then I tied the gele. So hopefully I will be dropping a video very soon on the whole face. But look at the blend, the skin work. If there's one thing to take away from this video, is the skin work. Look at the whole blend. Then I applied gloss on the lip, and here comes our Yoruba bride. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to show a full video with the gele, the eye work and the lips, please make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.